Okay, this is my beautiful artisan bread, which is whole wheat. And I want you to hear the crunch after I placed it in the pot. It gives it a nice crunch. 20 minutes with the lid and 20 minutes without the lid. Make sure you calibrate your thermometer. If it's not how you test it, you put in ice water for about 3 minutes, and if it reads other than the temperature, it should be 32 Celsius or Fahrenheit, 32 degrees in ice water, I believe. But I want you to see how crunchy this is. And then you just make sure that it's 200. The bread should be 190, between 190 and 200 degrees. So I want you to hear the crunch. Yum! So I'm gonna, oops. It was part of my folding. And so just add a little bit of butter to that. It's a little bit of butter. Yum! This is unsalted, so then I add a little bit of, a tiny bit of truffle salt. Yum. Mmm. That is fantastic bread. I'm even tempted to put some jam on it. Some of my own jam. My jelly. Delicious. Okay, that's my bread.